Most people get massa wrong, but this recipe gives you soft and fluffy massa every time. Welcome back to Suzy Global Concept YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make your massa, a Northern Nigerian delicacy. Massa is made of rice. So first of all, here is our white rice from rice paddy, the one that have not been fully processed, the one they use in making tuwo shinkafa. So we are going to be soaking the rice for 6 hours. Make sure that you pick out stones in case if there are stones in the rice. This one we have already picked out the stones and the dirty. So we are going to soak it for 6 hours. After soaking it for 6 hours, we are going to wash it very well. Make sure you wash it very well. Then you can use your blender if you have blender to blend it very smooth into paste. But I'm going to be taking it to a local grinding machine where I'll be grinding it. So after grinding it, we are going to be turning it into a bigger container for easy mixing. So we are turning it into a bigger bucket. We are going to be adding our all-purpose flour. The quantity here is 2 tin milk. That is the measurement that we use. Then after adding the all-purpose flour, we are going to be adding our yeast, which is the rising agent. The measurement is 2 tablespoons. That is the measurement. All this one, the measurement, my sister have already measured them right from the village before bringing them to my place, my elder sister. So make sure you mix it very well. If it's too thick, you can add water to let it be very light like this. Then after mixing it, place it on a heated area or you place it under the sun. We have placed our own under the sun. So here is our pepper and onions. We are going to be blending it. This time around, I'm going to be using blender to blend it because there is electricity now. So after blending it, we are adding it into our paste. You stir it very well to mix it very well. So after adding our blended pepper and onions, we are going to be adding salt for taste. Salt for taste. So after adding our salt, here is our frying pan. You can see how this frying pan looks like. We are placing it on a charcoal fire. We are not going to be using gas, okay, because gas will not give us the perfect frying. So the perfect toasting, yes, it's not like frying, we are steaming it. Yes, make sure you put a little drop of oil. Once the oil is heated, then you can now begin to pour in your paste. You can see the measurement that we are using to turn in the paste into the space provided. Then after some time, once it has steamed like brown golden like, then you can now turn it to the other side for it to get cooked, to get steam. Yes, it's steaming, we are not frying it. So after turning to the other side, we can now remove it. Here we are adding sugar to the same mixture. Yes, we are going to be doing the sugar on sugar and salt. Yes, remember the salt we added was just little. So we are going to be comparing the two to know which one is sweeter. Yes, you can actually eat this soup with soup, like soya bean soup. And you can eat it like that without any soup. So but this one that we are making, we are not going to take it with soup. We are going to be eating like that because it's very soft and fluffy. Remember, this is one of the best Northern Nigerian street food, Northern Nigerian delicacy. Yes. So if you have ever eaten masa before, let me know from the comment section. And if you have never eaten it before, would you like to give it a taste? If you would like to give it a taste, let me know from the comment section. So this masa, we use it for occasion like naming ceremony, for burials, It's an occasional street food. Yes, not just for occasion, but most of our occasion in the northern part of Nigeria, we often do this masa. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a like and also drop your comment or what you feel about the video, about this food, from the comment section. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Stay safe. See you in my next video. One love, everyone. One love.